Could this be JBL's best upgrade yet? The brand new Flip 7 promises tougher durability, cleaner sound, and smarter features. But does it actually live up to the hype? Today, we're pushing this little speaker to its limits to find out. As you saw previously, the Flip 6 survived the beach, the park, and even the pool. That's right, we threw it in a pool. But JBL has now dropped the brand new Flip 7, as you can see just here. They claim it's tougher, louder, and smarter than ever. Well, guys, let's see if this little guy can survive the full Mr. Yoo-Hoo torture test. And we really will be putting it through its paces today. I'm Andrew from Mr. Yoo-Hoo. And if you watched our JBL reviews before, you know we don't just sit in an office and read spec sheets. We take these speakers outside. We throw them in pools, drag them to the beach, crank them up in the park, and set them loose in the games room. Today, the Flip 7 is going through all that. And by the end, I'll tell you whether it's worth upgrading from the Flip 6, as you can see just here, or whether you should save your money and just stick with what you've got. And guys, we can't wait to bring you this video. And also giving away a JBL Flip 7 as well. So check the details below. Multiple entries and multiple chances to win. And it's all about us giving back and thanking you. So here's what's coming up next. First, we'll kick things off with an unboxing and first impressions. Then we'll fire it up for our first listen, talk about the design, durability, and features. After that, it's straight out into the Queensland outdoors. Yes, guys, that's right. We're going to the park, games room, beach, and yes, the pool. We're actually going to throw it into the pool, and you'll see our little lab. We'll run a proper sound test, walk through the JBL Portable app, including the new 7-band EQ, compare it to the Flip 6, as you can see here, and also look at the Charge 6, which you can see behind me just there, and finish with my verdict and ideal use cases. Guys, you have to stick around. This one's going to be absolutely fun. And make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know what you think. All right, unboxing time. First, inside the box, you'll find the Flip 7 itself. The manuals, safety sheet, and warranty card. There's no USB-C charging cable though. JBL does say it's cutting down on e-waste, so guys, you'll have to use one on your own. To be honest, I didn't mind that at all. The speaker feels familiar in size and weight. It's almost identical to the Flip 6, but the detail it shows has been toughened up. The passive radio bumper now has 4 reinforced rubber nubs instead of 3, giving extra drop protection. JBL says it's now officially drop-proof from 1 meter onto concrete. The grille is made from 100% recycled fabric, and the body uses 77% recycled plastic, so it's a little bit greener too. And as you can see on the bottom there as well, it just doesn't have, look at the function straight away. That compared to that, they're completely different. Gone is the shoelace strap as well. In its place, JBL's new push lock system gives you interchangeable attachments right out of the box. You get a fabric loop and a carbon clip, both of which click into place with a seatbelt style mechanism. Using it feels sturdy, gives you more options to carry it around. Clip it on a bag for a hike or loop it on your wrist at the beach. And it's a lot more easy to use than the cable in a JBL Flip 6. On the top, the controls are classic JBL, but with a twist. You still have your raise volume and play pause buttons, but instead of party boost, there's now an Auracast button. Auracast is JBL's new multi-speaker system. You can pair 2 Flip 7s for stereo, or connect it with other Auracast-enabled JBL speakers, like the JBL Charge 6, Extreme 4, or Clip 5. And we've done reviews of those as well. There's one catch though, guys. It's not backward compatible with Party Boost. So you can't link it with other older models like the Flip 6. That's a big change, and one you'll need to think about if you've already built a Party Boost collection. Now, let's turn it on. So hold down the button and you turn it on. Now, Bluetooth 5.4 gives you a fast, stable connection with low latency. Perfect for music or even watching video, Mr. Yoo-Hoo videos. First impressions, the sound is definitely improved. Powers up to 35 watts from Flip's 30 watts. It's a new tweeter dome that makes high sounds cleaner and clearer. The bass feels tighter and more controlled, and there's AI sound boost as well. Now that works behind the scenes, analyzing your music in real time to keep distortion down as you turn the volume up. At mid levels, it's punchy and balanced. Push it hard and the AI helps hold it together. Though like any compact speaker, guys, the highest can get a little sharp at max volume. And I guess that's the thing with this as well, is it's not a massive speaker like the Charge 6 or Extreme 4. It's a use outdoors speaker. Actually, let's go and show you guys how we use it outdoors now. Now, battery life is advertised at 14 hours, with Playtime Boost squeezing up to 16 hours. But Playtime Boost does it by cutting bass and boosting mids and highs, so it's better for podcasts and background listening than a proper party. Like always though, real world battery life depends on volume. At around 70%, you'll get a solid day out of it, so it's really, really good. And at that point, let's go and do our pool test now, guys, to show how it actually survives. And also let's throw it outdoors. As you guys know, I love to test speakers outdoors and in real world conditions. In this case, this is IP waterproof, the JBL Flip 7. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go throw it into the pool now to see exactly how it works underwater. So let's do that right now and let's play it now. And I've also got a puppy dog joining me in the background just there too. So hopefully he won't disturb us. So let's start it now. Okay, here's the speaker now. So I'm gonna put it out into the water. I'm ready. 1, 2, 3, drop. Oops, and it sunk. The last speaker actually floated. I'll just get it out. And there you go. The music still plays, so it survives. And but it doesn't float, it looks like. So there it is. So wasn't that fantastic? It did survive. This also supports lossless audio over USB-C. So if you've got Tidal or Apple Music and a good cable, you can plug it in for high quality sound. It won't change the speaker at the same time, but it's a neat option for audiophiles. Now, as you see at the park, at 60-70% volume, the Flip 7 does a great job of filling open spaces for picnics or casual kick around. The bass doesn't vanish outdoors like it sometimes did with the Flip 6, and the AI sound boost keeps the low end present even when people are talking. Now, I took it to the games room to play a bit of pool while listening to it, and guys, it was fantastic. At lower volumes, it just keeps clarity and doesn't sound thin, making it great for background music while gaming or hanging out. And there it is just there, as you can see. So then we took it to the beach. Now, I know you guys saw with my Charge 5 review when I actually threw it into the ocean. It's a bit of a risk, but you know what? The sand and sea are unforgiving. So Flip 7 shrugged it off. I put it into the water, took it out, and it worked absolutely fine. This is thanks to its IP68 rating. Salt water is a little bit trickier, but JBL says just rinse it off and it takes and it works. And also the pool. As you saw before, straight in it went, it splashed. The only problem is it fell down to the bottom, which I had to fish out, but that's okay. The JBL Charge 6 does float. So it does survive underwater, and I'm gonna show you now how it actually works to show the base with it pumping water out of it. It's very exciting. Guys, wasn't that cool? Now let's check out the app. The JBL Portable app is a huge step up this year. The standout is the new 7-band customizable EQ. Now compared to the Flip 6's basic band, this is a massive improvement. You can boost 125Hz slider for more bass, pull up vocals, or fine-tune treble to match your taste. There are also 4 presets if you just want quick changes. From the app, you can also toggle AI sound boost, switch on playtime boost, and manage Auracast group. It's now a proper control hub, which is a massive benefit. So I know you've been looking forward to this, and now it's comparison time. The Flip 7 versus the Flip 6. The Flip 7 wins on durability, IP68 and drop proof, power 35 watts versus 30, cleaner highs thanks to the new tweeter, better battery life, push lock system. The trade-offs are losing party boost and no charging cable, but in day-to-day use, the Flip 7 is stronger, more versatile, and to be honest, knocks the Flip 6 out of the park. Not to say it's still a good model, but this is really the new thing. And against the Charge 6, the Charge 6 is bigger, louder, and longer lasting at 28 hours. It also doubles as a power bank. Flip 7 is lighter, easy to carry, and more portable. If you're going camping or want room-filled sound, the Charge 6 is worth it. If you just want a grab-and-go speaker for the beach, pool, or backyard, the Flip 7 is the sweet spot. So verdict time. The JBL Flip 7 might not be a revolution, but it's the best JBL Flip speaker yet. It's tougher, cleaner, and far smarter with real-world improvements in sound usability. If you've already got a Flip 6, there's no urgent need to upgrade unless you want Auracast or that new EQ, and also if you tend to drop your speakers and you want a bit more sound. But if you're future-proofing your setup, the Flip 7 is an easy yes. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think the Flip 7 is JBL's best upgrade yet? Or are you sticking with the Flip 6? Or other speakers? Does Auracast excite you, or is it losing party boost a deal breaker? And where should we test this next? Guys, I want your thoughts, because we're happy to go and test this outdoors to show you guys the real world scenarios. Let me know. We'll also do a full JBL speaker review comparison, which we've done previously. We'll do the Flip 6 versus Flip 7, Charge 5 versus Charge 6, etc. So very keen to do that. But again, we've loved reviewing this speaker today. It has really given a massive increase. Sound quality, features, functions, and all-round goodness. Anyway, check out the giveaway, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for joining us here at Mr. Yule.